Hello everybody, today we make a sausage and pepper. I got the Italian hot sausage, I got a belly pepper, red, I got the green I pick it up in the garden, I got my oil baby, I put one piece because this is really hot, I got one onion over here, and I got a garlic, and I got to use oregano, oil, and this is the bread that make the sausage and pepper sandwich. Okay, to start, the first thing I want to clean up my onion over here, and I got the garlic. We start with onion, and we clean up. Now, I cut this, and I put this on half, and half we slice like this. Okay, now we cut the garlic. And we cut it the same like I did the onion. Yeah, I want to mix together with the onion I got already over there in a dish. Okay, now the garlic, it's done. And we put it together with the onion over here. Okay, now we start with the pepper. Let me cut this piece over here like that. And we take this out and inside. Take the seeds out. And we cut in half. And this we slice like that. And the green pepper, I do the same thing. Okay, now I gotta do my oil baby. But this, I put only little piece, okay? It's so hot. Now, I cut already the onion, the green pepper, the red pepper. This bianco, rosso e verde, la bandiera italiana. It's Italian flag. Everybody knows the Italian flag, what it look like, okay? It's white, green, and red. Okay, now the pot is hot. Let's put a little oil, not too much, like this. We raise the anameria, and this is the sausage. Sausage. When I was in Italy, boy, how many sausage we was making. We was making the sausage after we was hang up on a seal. They would make it dry, and with the fireplace, it make a smoke. And the sausage we was making hot sausage, sweet sausage. We was making capicola, o prosciutto, a spalla, in olio. The guts, the sausage, we was dry, and we was hung up, and we was dry, and we was eat. Now this, you gotta cook, you gotta make a nice color, and I gotta saute the onion, the caramelize the onion nice with the garlic, and together I put the pepper. I don't want to miss my oil baby. My oil baby, when I put the onion, the garlic, it's quiet, the pots. But when I put my oil baby, the pepper started to jump. Okay, now the sausage, both place a nice color. We take it out. We load the gas. But the sausage, I take out, but it's not cooked yet. I gotta cook it together with the garlic, onion, and the pepper. And now I put a little extra oil. Okay, we gotta put the onion and the garlic. Okay, look how beautiful. Now this, I'll leave it cook a little bit. And after, we gotta put the pepper. It looks so much onion, but this, one time it's cooked, it come out not too much. Okay, now the onion, like us see, it's nice. And we put the pepper. Nice. All right. This, you gotta cook like maybe maybe 9 minutes. And after that, we put the sausage inside, the cook together. Now this, you gotta cook. I put salt, black pepper, and I got over here, everybody know it's my oregano. I make this, the oregano. Okay. And we put it right over here. Looking nice. All right. We put in media, the flame. Kind of want to not to burn. Almost I forget my oh yeah baby, my hot pepper. Oh boy, that's what I need over here. You give a nice kick. Now the sausage, I want to put on this pot. It's a little more deep. I got a lot of stuff with the put. The sausage like this, it can play a little bit together. And after we dump everything on top of the sausage. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to put this right on the top over here. Okay, I want to cook it together. You see now? Look at this. Now it's beautiful. I want this to relax, nice, and cook with the sausage and the pepper. I'll load the flame. At the same time, I gotta look, I gotta wait. I need something. What do you think about little zunzun? And now, before I prepare my bread, let me say salute e cin cin to everybody. Oh, the wine, I don't want to miss. Salute. Okay, now we slide the bread. Look nice, look at beautiful bread. Now, this is the bread we cut only halfway. When you put the sausage, everything, it not go out. You see, like this. After, when you fill it up with this, with the sausage, pepper, everything, after you give it nice close air. Okay, now the sausage, it's done. It's time to bring on the table. Hey, look at this, my sausage. Now it's time to fill up my bread over here. Okay, this is my sausage. Oh, like this. Oh, look at the pepper, the onion. Oh boy, oh boy. Ooh. Now, I'm okay. And this, my wine. I want to say salute cin cin. And look at this, a nice juicy. Salute cin cin to everybody. Oh. I want to say thank you very much to everybody. You make sausage and pepper the way I did it. It's really delicious and good. And make sure to put in my oh yeah baby. Can you give a little kick? Okay? Thank you, everybody. Thanks.